we're delighted to be shortlisted for the miaList2025 Venue of the Year over 300 category. This recognition from the Meeting Industry Association is a reflection of how we've worked collaboratively, hand in hand, with our event organising partners over the last 12 months to deliver extraordinary business events and experiences. Expanding our conference and meeting client portfolio has been a key objective for 2025, and we'd be delighted to welcome thousands of visitors to Farnborough International Exhibition and Conference Centre.
One word that really sums up the essence of Farnborough International Exhibition and Conference Centre is collaboration. We understand that every event is different, and our team of experts here will work with the event organiser and their team to ensure that we bring their event to life and make it a huge success. We've achieved a lot over the last 12 months, including hosting a record number of events. A particular achievement is that 100% of our conference and meeting organisers rated our service as excellent.
One of the things we're most proud of here at Farnborough International is our ongoing commitment to becoming a sustainable venue and helping clients deliver sustainable events.
This year we've been focused on championing the next generation across our business. We've actively supported and sponsored a range of events that are tailored towards supporting the future workforce across a range of sectors.
Farnborough International Exhibition and Conference Centre deserves a place on the miaList2025 for our commitment to sustainability and delivering outstanding customer service. We support our clients through the whole journey and work in true partnerships to help create extraordinary event experiences.
We're thrilled to have been nominated for the miaList 2025's Venue of the Year over 300, so please vote for us.